Hey and welcome to this deep dive into the Grok AI Expertise video course. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tools that promise a lot but deliver very little, or if you've struggled to keep up with the rapid pace of AI-driven changes, this video is for you. Because today, we're going beyond the sales page and exploring what this course actually offers, the features, the flaws, and some surprising benefits that haven't been widely discussed yet. In fact, by the end of this review, you'll also discover 5 exclusive bonuses you can get absolutely free, but only if you decide to grab the course through my link. So be sure to watch till the very end because those bonuses could give you a serious edge. First, let's break down exactly what the Grok AI Expertise course is and what makes it worth considering. The Grok AI Expertise course is a completely new private label rights package, meaning you get the full rights to use it, rebrand it, and even resell it as your own. That's powerful in itself. But more importantly, it teaches practical, real-world applications of AI for business, personal branding, and digital automation without requiring any technical skills. Let's go over the key features. 1. This course includes a complete set of professionally produced HD training videos. 2. There's a full-length training guide included. It expands on the video content and delivers proven strategies for mastering the top AI tools that are currently driving results across industries. 3. It includes plug-and-play marketing materials, so if you want to rebrand and launch it as your own course or training package, you won't need to spend hours creating sales pages or email campaigns. 4. The promotional content provided is optimized for conversions. It's written to help you attract and engage the right audience, which can make a real difference. So, what's the real value here? For starters, it's time-saving. If you're someone who wants to ride the AI wave but doesn't have weeks to study or months to master new tools, this course gets you there faster. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons of the Grok AI Expertise course. First, the pros. Number 1. The video-first format makes this course accessible and easy to follow. Whether you're a visual learner or just prefer clear demonstrations over complicated theory. Number 2. It truly reduces tech overwhelm. A lot of people are scared to dive into AI because it sounds complex. Number 3. The PLR aspect is a huge advantage. You can take this training, rebrand it, and launch it as your own digital product, keeping 100% of the revenue. Number 4. The techniques it teaches actually save you time. From AI-powered email writing to social media automation, the lessons are built around productivity. Now, the cons. First, while the video content is strong, the examples tend to be general. If you're looking for ultra-niche applications, say using AI specifically for real estate or e-commerce, you might need to make those customizations yourself. Second, it doesn't cover AI development or programming. If you're looking to build AI from scratch or create your own tools, this isn't that course. This is about using AI effectively, not building it. Now, here's the thing, these cons don't really diminish the value of the course. Especially at the price point, which is currently just $11. That's right, you're getting a full PLR course for the cost of a lunch. And if you want an even sweeter deal, I've included a discount code in the description below. To help you visualize what you're actually getting, let's look at a few examples from inside the...
Welcome to the high-definition training video course, Grok AI Expertise. Video number 1, Introduction to Grok AI. Video number 2, The Evolution of AI, where Grok stands out. Video number 3, Setting up Grok AI, Access and Installation Guide. Video number 4, Exploring the Grok AI Interface. Video number 5, Grok versus Other Models, a Comparative Study. Video number 6, Real-Time Twitter Integration with Grok. Video number 7, Grok AI for Social Media Content Creation. Video number 8, Writing engaging tweets, threads, and posts using Grok.
Course. Now, after reviewing the entire course and testing the tools myself, here's my final rating. The course value? I give it a strong 4.5 out of 5. It over-delivers in content and ease of use. The price? Solid 4 out of 5. It's priced affordably, and for a PLR package, that's rare. Value for money? Also a 4 out of 5. You get a lot for your investment, especially if you plan to resell or repurpose the content. And tools and material quality? Again, a 4 out of 5. The assets are polished, usable, and require minimal tweaking. Overall, this is a great course for anyone looking to quickly get up to speed with AI tools. or for marketers and freelancers who want to repackage and profit from a done-for-you training product. And now, as promised, let's talk bonuses. If you grab Grok AI Expertise through my link, I'm giving away 5 powerful bonuses completely free. 100 plus free templates for video editing. Viral Video Scripts Bundle. AI Video Creation Script Pack. AI Automation eBook. AI Cartoon and Animation Videos Bundle. To get these, just purchase through the link in the description. No extra steps, no hidden fees. Once you've made the purchase, these bonuses are yours. And that brings us to the end of this review. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more tips on tools, software, and digital shortcuts, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm regularly posting new content that helps you make smarter digital decisions and unlock new opportunities. If you have any questions about Grok AI Expertise or you're unsure whether it's right for you, drop a comment below and I'll personally respond to help guide you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.